Hi guys, in this episode we are going to address the front stem bearings. Right now we have it just kind of mocked together with a long skinny bolt kind of holding it together. But what we really need to work on is getting this original KX125 stem inside this down stem. And we may, because everything is upside down now, we may have to put it in upside down on the upper part. And it may all come together kind of backwards, but it'll come together. So let's get all this torn back down and make sure everything is secure so it doesn't fall. And let's work on getting this in there. So here's our status. This is the upper part of the tree. We have to enlarge this hole up to 30 millimeters. This bottom one needs to be enlarged to 25 millimeters. Once we have that done, we will be able to fit our stem in there like so. So we will get that coming, so cut that. Well, we're getting closer. We're not quite there yet though. But it does seem like it's going to work pretty good. So, when I was fitting this section into the upper part, the aluminum cracked on me. I didn't have my hole big enough whenever I was pressing this into it. My bad. But now I can talk about this video's sponsor. My brother, Marcus Cooley, because he bought me a new piece. Thanks, bub. Let's see how far we can get. Okay, so I smoothed out this. It was a pretty abrupt cutout. Smoothed out and flattened this area. And so now, this is our forks as they are on the bike. Normally it would be pressed in and up to there, but in our case, because we're upside down, here, we have to go this direction. We got it to fit really good that way. But it's not necessarily a snug fit. So, as you can see, we're going to do away with this. And when this goes in like that, we're going to redo our threads to accept an M22 by 2.5 millimeter thread and nut. And it will have enough real estate there to really tighten it down. Our upper clamp for the press in part that I broke is on its way. So we'll get that coming. In the meantime, we will work on the rear swing arm. On the underneath side, there is provisions for the shock. Now for our application, I'm not going to flip the rear swing arm upside down. It's going to be normal so that I can mount caliper and all that. But on the bottom side, where the shock used to go, you can see I started hacking away at it. I'm going to cut all this out, smooth it out, and get it looking nice. So, as you can see, I'm missing some spokes. And I'm just going to source another KX125 wheel and not even worry about cleaning any of this up, but it's good for mock-up, so good for what I need. It's also a 19, so maybe I'll just get the 19 rear and see about making that work. Alright, let's get to cutting, whittling. Aluminum whittling, that's what we're doing. Aluminum whittling. Yeah, well, whittle.
Like that. It basically looks like it's made out of the factory, you know what I mean? It does look original and the finish looks original as well.
You like that shoe, don't you?
Your stuff or your sweats in it, shoot simple thread. For anything simple, so we're definitely gonna repaint all this and do just super good. So I'm gonna have to do some black. I don't know if this is going black or this is going black. It's just gonna make this front end stand out way better than that regular GT. And I must say, this Mustang is like a Frankenstein's of all GTs. I mean, it's a regular GT.
Mrs. Kitty.
You got everything that you need to paint this bumper and throw it on. I mean, you got every little grill insert here and there.
What'd you do with the ball?
Just to see how all this stuff is gonna go to.
Where's the ball?
And also just to see what's getting painted black.
Did you forget the ball?